Hey, Rick Usabel again from Cabaret Design Group, talking today about direct draw draft beer system design.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Design Buzz. I'm your host, Rick Usabel. Today I want to talk about direct draw draft beer system design for bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. If you're considering such a system for your establishment, there's a few things you need to know to make a sound investment. First, all draft beer systems rely on refrigerators or walk-in coolers to house the beer, as the temperature of the product is of the utmost importance. Ideally, beer should be delivered between 36 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Even a slight increase in temperature can lead to excessive foaming and even cloudy and sour beer. Because of their short operating distances, direct draw systems are inherently efficient at delivering consistent high quality beer. What types of equipment are available for these systems? You have the direct draw coolers, and you have the emerging draft beer wall systems. In terms of the coolers, this is equipment that many people have seen through the years. They come in various configurations. It's just a short cooler with beer towers on top. This one here is about 5 feet long, a little deeper than normal. It's designed really to handle half barrels, so you would probably put the popular domestics in something like this, which should be like Miller Lite, Bud Light, or Coors. Other comparable models are available from 2 to 6 faucets. They range in price from $1,000 to $3,500. If you wanted to get a little craftier, you could, no pun intended, you could put together a cooler like this, which is a Perlick DDS84, which is a 7-foot cooler. You could put on your own, you could add your own tower to it and sort of do this a la carte. This is a Micromatic Metro T tower with 8 faucets. So therefore you could get 8 brands of beer out of here. Typically they would be slim quarter barrels and slim 6 barrels, which would be the sizes typical of craft beers. But if you were trying to work that into your picture, I'm going to demonstrate this by live example to a bar that we currently have on the board. This one here is a alcohol. It's designed to process alcohol-based drinks, and typical of that, I'll get you back to a better example. Typical to that, we would have all the underbar stainless on the front, and because virtually every square inch of this front bar is dedicated towards equipment that's used to process alcohol drinks, there's really no place for that type of a cooler under the front bar. If you were to turn around and put it behind you, what you would typically have back here would be tiered bottle displays for your call and premium liquor. That would make it virtually impossible for you to reach these bottles efficiently without having to constantly reach around them and knocking them over. So in terms of how you would incorporate that type of a cooler in your system, in your establishment, I have another idea, and this could be a good one. You could put it, because they're available with casters, you take the same 7-foot Perlick unit, put it out here inside the club, restaurant, whatever you have on a busy day, and then you could have an additional bartender out here, and or even put something like this out on the terrace arrangement. This is a nice approach for alleviating pressure off your normal bartenders on a busy night.